I have filmed this get ready with me video, hair and makeup, how I crimp my hair, how I do my basic face, foundation, eyebrows, nude lip. That's it. This is basically how I look whenever I go out. If you guys want to learn how I got this whole complete look, hair and makeup, just continue watching. Again, if you have any other suggestions, please let me know. Okay, so let's do this. I always do my hair before I do my makeup because if I have a full beat, I do not want to be sweating from the steam of whatever hair product I'm using. Like, I always prefer to do my hair first. This is my natural hair, air dried, nothing in it whatsoever, no extensions in my hair. This is all me. To crimp my hair, the product that I use is this Revlon crimper. That was my mom's that I took from her. So it looks like this. You can get them on Amazon, Walmart, Target, literally anywhere you can find a crimper. I'm sure there are better crimpers than this, but you know what, it does the job. I don't care. So I'm going to literally section my hair off and do it piece by piece, and that's all. I sectioned my hair off and now I'm just gonna brush through. Okay, I kind of think I want to add a track. So the extensions that I use since high school, I've only been using Luxie hair extensions. I will leave their website down below. So this is what my extensions look like. This is a 3-piece swept. They all come with clips on them already, which is great because you will not find me sewing in clips to the track. I need to buy everything done for me. These are 22 inches. That's the longest length they have, unfortunately. I would love to get longer, but let's see. So I just literally clip it in my hair. I don't tease it or anything because the clips are pretty sturdy to the point that I don't have to do that. I have this on the highest heat level because I do have very thick hair. So for the heat to distribute all the way through, I need it to be hot, unfortunately. Before I do that, I'm gonna add a little bit of this heat protectant. And please excuse my nails. Oh my god, this quarantine thing has me going crazy because I cannot go to the nail salon. So all I do is literally go to the top and I hold it for a few seconds. So I just follow the shape of the actual crimper and you'll know like where to crimp next. Wherever it indents, you don't want to crimp over the part that's like going upwards. Put that to the back. Now do this little front piece. But you just wanted my attention. You just wanted my affection. You got me tattooed on your mind. You just want me all the time. We'll figure out and find a way. When you say that you need space, I give you space. Now when you're ready, you know where I stay. When it comes to all these, I'll never chase. But this world is such an evil place. And these will always find a way. Cause when I'm on the liquor, I go crazy. And for that, you know I'm a slave. This place, so far, this is what it looks like. This place will be the end of me. Take me out of lane. I like to split it down the middle just because that's how my part is going to be.
I'm in this fighter Porsche cruising down the
when
street.
I'm done styling
Back
it.
on black Venom covered tees. Keanu Reeves weighing speed. Diamond cross hanging off of me. Fighting for my soul.
Two-piece left. To the side. Same on the other.
Wouldn't sleep. I can't sleep. Cause I got
And then I'm gonna part this again. I'm gonna put 2 single butts.
But I'd be nothing without you. Give you everything you wanted. Give you power, give you life, give you space so you can shine. Give you everything you wanted. But none of that matters to you.
So this side is completely done. I have not ran my fingers through it just yet. This is how it looks directly after crimping. Let me do this side and then I'll come back and show you guys the end result. So this is the outcome of how the hair looks crimped. So what I'm gonna do is take some gel. The gel that I like to use is from Carol's Daughter. And then I take a little edge brush. You can get this for $1 on Amazon, any beauty supply store, honestly, by the cash register. And I do a little swoop. And then I'll take some gel on my fingertip and just lay the flyaways down with my hand. I take a wide tooth comb and just lightly comb through it. Lightly. I take some serum, put a dime-sized amount on the palm of my hand, and just put it all over my hair. Moving on to the makeup. Just gonna get a little clip to take that away from my face. And again, we are in quarantine right now, lockdown. So my eyebrows are not done. So first things first, I am going to tweeze my eyebrows.
The sweat fall down her spine. She's so mine.
I'm gonna show you guys a little trick that I have started doing with my eyebrows, especially when they're not groomed. I found that my eyebrows look best when I conceal them first. So I always conceal my eyebrows with Shape Tape concealer, and make sure you're using a concealer as close to your skin tone as possible. First, let me apply some primer using Benefit's Professional Primer. Just a little tiny amount. And then I'm going to take my Morphe M173 brush. Looks like this. So obviously by just concealing, I gave my eyebrows some shape compared to this one. And it's going to be easier when applying the product to your eyebrow. And it'll look more natural. So I ended up only using the Morphe M1708 brush, the thinner concealer brush. The Tarte concealer that I use that's close to my skin shade is Tan Sand. The eyebrow pencil that I use is an Espresso. I'm going to use a little more concealer just to define the top of my brow a little more. Now I'm going to use the e.l.f. Concealer brush. This is like $2-3. Yo, I live by this brush. This is ColourPop's Brow Boss Gel. I'm going to use the Gradient's True Complexion HD Corrector, and this is the orange color. This cancels out the darkness, and sometimes when you apply your foundation and you have discoloration, it's going to look ashy. It's not what you want. So I just put it in the corners of my mouth, on my chin. If you have any discoloration and you try this step, I'm going to guarantee there will be a dramatic difference in your makeup. I'm going to apply my foundation. I love this foundation because I have a very hard time matching foundation to the color of my skin. This is the Nuance liquid foundation. I don't believe that they sell this in stores anymore. This was Salma Hayek's line that was being sold at CVS. And I found it on a website. If you're interested, I'll link it below. I love this foundation. This is what the bottle looks like. It's honestly like $10 and it's amazing. I used about a pump and a half on the back of my hand. Going to go back with my Tarte Shape Tape concealer underneath my eyes, on my nose, high fashion, like G-Wagon or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got a cold heart. I know I gotta keep my shorty on go. Just try to blend as fast as you can because this product does dry pretty quick. You ain't gotta deal with none of these niggas no more. If we hop in the Benz, is that okay? What I'm gonna do is take another concealer. I like this Tory B concealer. This concealer gives it like an even more airbrush finish. The Tarte Shape Tape concealer and the Tory B concealer mixed is like, imagine that. So I'm gonna take a little bit underneath my eye and on my nose. The shade that I use in the Tory B concealer is T2. It's about 18 or $20, whatever it is. I put some ice on you cause you got a cold. I know I gotta keep my shorty on go. Now, add some dimension to my face. I'm using the Black Opal Stick and Beautiful Bronze. This is technically a concealer, but I use this to contour my face. First thing I like to draw on is draw on my nose. But basically, I'm like, pour in a little bit. If I hit it front and back, she gon' hit the sidewalk. If she got a best with her, take her back to my such a chubby face. And the name ain't Megan, but she a stallion. Never keep my hoes divided. Remember I was pulling up in the valley. And you know I take her so when she ride it. And the niggas all kids, oh. Shining on the drop it low like a limo every time we kick it like tempo. This is my favorite brush to buff out my contour. It's the Real Techniques Expert Base Brush, and it looks like this, and these bristles are just like amazing. And I go downwards, and I buff this out, and then I do my cheeks, and I go up.
I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shorty on go. Drop that ass to the floor. Yeah. Whoa. You ain't gotta deal with none of these niggas no more.
And then for my nose, I like to use the e.l.f. flat, I don't know what this is, a flat buffing brush. Looks like this. And obviously I like to do it because it's shaped like this, so I just go down. Next step, I like to take my Fit Me powder in number 235 and apply this to anywhere that I applied the concealer before applying my translucent powder, just to make sure that it does not look ashy. You never ever ever want to look ashy.
Yeah, it's quite alright.
Again, this is what works for me. You do not have to follow this. If something else works for you, by all means, do what you like. Now, Laura Mercier's translucent powder with my dirty beauty blender. I push it in. Under my eyes, like that.
I said everything I said.
Now I go into my nose to create more shape. Like this. On the inside. I apply to the tip of my nose, the bridge, my chin. I have really bad laugh lines, so I'm gonna do that. And my forehead, try to avoid getting eyebrows. Personally, I don't like adding translucent powder underneath the contour line. I feel like regardless of whatever I do, it looks ashy. So I skip that step. I do not take a long time with letting it set. Again, this is my preference. You can let it set for 15 minutes if you want. That's not what I like. So now I take the color of my skin. This is MAC Studio Fix powder. I love this. I'm just going to take a face powder brush, swivel it, and then I use the powder to swipe off the translucent powder. Next step, I'm going to apply Morphe's setting mist on my face. I'm going to apply highlighter. This is another trick that I love. I'm using the Anastasia Breezy collab highlighter. So I apply the highlighter first, then I apply my bronzer just so it blends in better.
You can how to run, yeah, everything I said, messing with your head. I said everything I said.
I'm going to take my Morphe M530 brush. I love this brush for bronzer and my Benefit Hoola bronzer.
Messing with your head.
Next, I'm going to apply my MAC blush in Peach Twist. Looks like this. Going to go upwards and mix it in with the bronzer and highlighter.
You far too kind.
And then I apply my lips. I am going to use MAC's Cork Lip Liner. My Holy Grail lipstick, I don't even care of the price or how it looks. My Wet n Wild Bare It All lipstick, top one.
I used to pray when I was
I'm going to go over it with KKW's Nude 3 lipstick. I'm going to go over with the lip liner one more time.
I was singing notes while my
Apply ColourPop's lip gloss in Fantasia. Such a pretty nude. Into extra. I'm gonna apply Too Faced lip injection in Spice Girl. I apply it to the middle. And then I'm gonna take KKW Beauty's lip liner in Nude 2.
For that money I was feeling. Cali was the mission.
Lips are important. Very, very important to me. This looks good, but I think I'm gonna add a little bit more nude. I'm gonna use MAC's Peach Stock lipstick over the gloss in the middle. And then blend. For final steps, I'm going to brush my eyelash extensions out.
So I keep on falling.
Apply more mist. Some mascara to my bottom lashes.
Stack a couple like I was shady.
I suck at applying bottom mascara.
I just
I'm gonna be extra and apply extra.
All my diamonds dancing like they Swayze. All my diamonds hitting like they Swaley. Jet so big.
So this is the complete look for hair and makeup. This is basically my go-to face. I've kind of retired the eye looks. I do it very rarely. Now that I have extensions, I focus on my skin and that's it. Thank you for watching. Any suggestions of what else you want to see, let me know. I'm going to try my best to be more consistent with the videos. If you prefer videos on Instagram, little clips, IGTV. If you like YouTube, let me know. And that is about it. So, hopefully, I'll see you guys soon.
Never dipped in it. Superstar neighbor in my business.